Okay, so in this video, you're going to learn how to use Adobe Acrobat Pro 11 to take a digital document and make it into a fillable form. So I have this software agreement form that I use for students who take ATS software home, but I would like to make this fillable with fields so I can quickly type in the student's name, grade, school, and email it to my teacher. So to do that, I'm going to need to create a form. So here's what we're going to do. First, make sure you have the document that you want in digital format and make sure that it's closed. Then I'm going to go ahead and open Adobe Acrobat 11. You'll notice right here in the front splash screen, it's going to say Create Form. So I click on that. I'm going to click Create from an existing document. I'm currently using a PDF file, but notice that you can also use Microsoft Word and Excel files as well. I'll click Next. I'm going to navigate using the Browse button to where my file is stored, and mine is currently on my H drive, and then it's in Forms, and then it's my software agreement, so I found it. I click on Open, then I click Continue. Adobe is going to go ahead and do its thing and take a pass through and see if it can find the fields on its own. It's gone ahead and done that, and it's now telling me that you are in form editing mode. So I'm going to click on OK. You'll notice that my toolbar on the right has opened, and I have some different fields that allow me to do some different form type things. So taking a look, did a pretty good job of finding most of my blanks on my form. Now, I will say that I don't like how I did this equipment with the two blocks of two spaces. So if I want to delete a field, I click on it so I get the handles or the blue boxes on them. And I'm going to go ahead and delete that. And that simply deletes the box. And if I want to resize this box to make it bigger, I can go ahead and stretch it down, so now I have more space to write my software in. Now, I also would like a little bit of space at the top to be able to write in, please return to me at my office. So I can go ahead and add in a new field. And I can click on text field. And then, of course, you can resize your field as you would like. And you may find that you need to add additional fields because Adobe doesn't always get everything. So you can add text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, and the list goes on. You can see what they are here. Although I believe the most common ones you would be adding would be the text field, the checkbox, or the radio button. So I'm going to go ahead and say that I'm good with this form. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Close Form Editing. You'll notice that on my form, hold on just a second, everywhere that should be filled out is blue. So you can see all my form fields are blue. And I can also go in right here and write, I can write my please return to Diana at work, or any other special instructions like please send back the disk immediately, or whatever the case may be. That field is there for me to write in. And then for my student's name, I can go ahead and write in Johnny Tech and fill out the rest of the form. And then when I save it, the parents will be able to go in, and they don't have to have Adobe Acrobat Pro. They'll be able to go in and type things in if they'd like, or they can print it out and do it by hand. Anyways, that is how you use Adobe 11 to create a form, a fillable document. Thanks.
Okay, so to make our document not only fillable, but with the ability to save it once the forms have been filled in, we need to do one more thing. Make sure your form is how you like it. Go ahead and click on File, Save as Other, Reader Extended PDF, and then choose Enable More Tools, which includes Form, Fill In, and Save, which is what you're really looking for. Go ahead and click Save Now. Now you've got your regular save dialog that you know what to do. Make sure you like the name, click Save. And now your form is not only fillable, but your recipient can save their work and send it back to you. Thanks.